Welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, so let's solve for x from here. Solution. So we have 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x equals to 100. Now, from here, we can let a variable be 5 raised to x. So let t be 5 raised to x. So it means that where we see 5 raised to x, put t there. We have t plus t equals to 100. So we have 2t equals 100. Therefore, dividing both sides by 2, this side will cancel, and t into 100 will be 50. So we have the answer for t as 50. Okay, so let's send t back to its position. Okay, so we have, so t is 50. So we have 5 raised to x equals to 50. All right, so we have 5 raised to x equals to 50. Okay, so what we are going to do here is to solve for x, and before we can do that, we have to take log on both sides. The idea is to bring the power down, so we have to log 5 raised to x equals to log 50. So this side will be x log 5 log 50. So we can divide both sides by log 5. Okay, so this side will cancel. X will be log 50 over log 5. Okay, now let's break this one down. Okay, so log 50 is the same as 25 times 2, okay, or 5 times 10. Okay, so we have x log 50 will be 25 times 2, okay, over log 5. All right, so 50 and then 5. So from here, log xy is the same as log x plus log y. Okay, so we can write this as x equals log 25 plus log 2 over log 5. Okay, now when we're given a plus c over t, the same as a over t plus c over t. So from here we can make this side log 25 over log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. Okay, now let's observe this one well. So 25, now when we're given log a the power x, the same as x log a, we call this one power rule. So we can write this one as 5 squared is 25, so we can make this side x log 5 squared, that is 25 over log 5, plus log 2 over log 5. So let me confirm. Okay, so from here x the same as, so we have 2, so there's a power rule, so 2 log 5 log 5 plus, now when we're given log x over log y, the same as log x to base y. So this side will be log 2 to base 5, and this one will cancel. I will leave it x equals to 2 plus log 2 to base 5 as the answer. Okay, all right, so let's verify and see if our answer is correct. Okay, so we are given 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x equals 100. So let's verify. So 5 raised to x plus 5 raised to x equals to 100. Remember, the answer is 2 plus 2 log 5. That is 2 plus, okay, log 2 to base 5. Okay, so let's plug in this and see if we get 100. Okay, so from here, so 5 raised to, so we have 2 plus log 2 base 5 plus 5, 2 plus log 2 to base 5. Now when we're given x to the power t plus m, the same as x to the power t dot x to the power m. Okay, so this side will be 5 raised to 2 times 5 raised to log 2 to base 5. And we have same here, 5 raised to log 2 to base 5. Okay, now let's observe this property. Now when we're given x raised to log t to base x, so x, the answer is t. Okay, so from here, this side will be 5 squared, 25 times. Now we have 5 here, so we have 2, okay, plus we have 5 squared, 25, and we have 5, okay, that will be 2. Okay, so this side will be 50 plus 50, which is 100, hence proved. Okay, so the correct answer for this is x equals to 2 plus log 2 to base 5. All right, okay, so subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. All right, so don't forget to like, share, and comment. All right.